Product review, how to write a powerful product review. Writing a powerful product review is all about authenticity, clarity, and usefulness. Whether you're aiming to inform, persuade, or entertain, here's a detailed guide to help you craft reviews that resonate and convert. 1. Use the product firsthand, test it thoroughly in real-world scenarios. Note your first impressions, usability, durability, and any quirks. Document your experience over time to show depth and reliability. 2. Know your audience, define who the product is for, example beginners, professionals, budget-conscious buyers. Tailor your tone and content to their needs and expectations. 3. Start with a hook, use a compelling headline like, "This $50 gadget saved me hours but it's not for everyone." Begin with a relatable problem or question your audience might have. 4. Describe the product clearly, include specs, price, brand, and what it claims to do. Mention any standout features or limitations. 5. Share your experience, be honest about what worked and what didn't. Use vivid language and specific examples. The battery lasted 9 hours during a full workday, but the touchpad felt sluggish. 6. Highlight pros and cons. 7. Compare with alternatives, mention similar products and how this one stacks up. Use a comparison table if helpful. 8. Include visuals, add photos, screenshots, or videos of the product in use. Visuals build trust and make your review more engaging. 9. Summarize with a verdict, recap who the product is best for. Give a clear recommendation, ideal for remote workers who need a reliable webcam, but not suited for streamers. 10. Optimize for SEO, if publishing online, use keywords like product name review or is product worth it. Include meta descriptions and headers for better visibility. Bonus tips, be transparent if you received the product for free or are using affiliate links. Avoid fluff, readers want substance, not sales pitches. Use emotional language when appropriate, I felt relieved when it finally worked as promised.